Welcome back. Today we will discuss new project in Lipaza, collect fine art 3D game, ready NFTs and experience the adventure of owning. This is NFT plus gaming platform. Fine art 3D game ready NFTs, a revolutionary community driven NFT art project with the vision to develop a complete ecosystem for the artists, gamers and crypto enthusiasts. Lipaza will habitat mythological legendaries crafted with excellence and backed by the power of NFT, and they use different categories to create NFTs. First is Bitkela. Mermaids have been a popular subject of art and literature in recent centuries and have subsequently been depicted in opera, paintings, books, animations, and films. Now get your own unique rarest rare mermaid. And the second, they use Ethely. Her enhancing capability of diverse skills have such power that it can shipwreck on the rocky coast of the Iceland. Her astonishing beauty charms the winds, and this is the Binancy. Beautiful, unique charm of millions around the globe. Artist heart and soul have gone into the creation. This ethnic beauty is a treasure to own as an NFT, and this is the Trinity beauty with the brain. You may trust her for stability and loyalty. Once you have owned it is unique, yours, exclusively created for Lipasa, legacy of liquidity, love, and prosperity. And this is the roadmap detail. First is magic cones, and that is coming up, and the second is building ecosystem, and third is legendary. Magic corn have the special power which will enable other same breed pair to reproduce and inner breed NFTs to generate fusion rare NFTs. To achieve sustainability for the project, it requires efficient ecosystem which in turn bring opportunity and fun for everyone. Lipasa will habitat rarest mythological and worldly creature backed by blockchain technology, and these are the fine art, 3D art, magical Polocoin exclusively created by Lipasa artists and inspired by the rare breeds of Gento penguin. In many studies, their existence was found for more than 33 billion years. They are recognized uniquely because of their distinct color and feature. You can subscribe their newsletter here for further updates, and these are the social links. You can follow them. I hope you will like this video. Thanks for watching.